A very good evening and Jai Hind to all my dear students. Children, in this module of class 4 mathematics, basically I have included three things. First of all, we are going to learn that how we can subtract and check our answer with addition. So let's get started without any further delay. In the very first step, we are going to do the subtraction with regrouping. We know that we have to subtract the subtrahend from the minuend to get the difference. So here the minuend is 21,840 and the subtrahend is 18,395. So here we have 0, it will take 1 carry from 4, it will become 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 3 will again take 1 carry from 8, it will become 13. 13 minus 9 is 4, right? Here we have 7. 7 minus 3 is again 4, right? And this 1 will take again 1 carry from 2, it will become 11. 11 minus 8 is 3, and then 1 minus 1 is 0, right? So the difference which we have got here is 3,445, right? Now the question arises that how we are going to check our answer with the addition. So we know that there is a simple formula for checking our answer. If you are adding the difference, right, with the subtrahend, and if you get the minuend, that means your answer is absolutely correct. Okay, so if your difference is 3,445, okay, and your subtrahend is 18,395, so you should get the same minuend given in the question, right? So let us add the difference and the subtrahend and let's check whether we are getting it or not, right? So 5 plus 5 is 10, we will put 0, carry over is 1, okay. Then 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 9 is 14, okay, 4 carry over is 1. 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, okay, and then 3 plus 8 is 11, 1 carry over is 1, and 1 and 1 is 2. So yes, we are getting 21,840, which is our minuend. It means our subtraction is absolutely correct, as well as the checking of the subtraction is also correct. Now we are going to check that how we can subtract with zeros. So here we have to subtract 1,327, okay, from 3,000. Simply you can see that we do not have enough ones, tens or hundreds, okay. So what we are going to do, we are going to take carry from this 3, right? So this 3 will give 1 carry to this 0, it will become 10. This 10 will give 1 carry to this, it will become 9, and this has become 10 now. It will provide one more carry to this 0, this will become 9, this will remain 10. 10 minus 7 is 3, right? Then 9 minus 2 is 7, okay, and then again 9 minus 3 is 6, right? And then 2 minus 1 is 1, right? So this is our difference, okay. Now there is one shortcut method also which you can use, okay, to check your whether you are able to get the same answer or not. Though you will get the same answer, okay, but in case if you face any difficulty while subtracting with zeros, so this you can use, right? You simply have to subtract 1 from the minuend as well as from the subtrahend. So if you will subtract 1 from the minuend, so you will have 2,999, and here you can see that now there are no zeros, so the subtraction will be very easy for you, right? And then again you will subtract 1 from 1,327, so you will get 1,326, right? So now 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 3 is again 6, and 2 1 is 1. So now your difference is 1,673 in both the cases, whether you are subtracting with zeros or if you are subtracting 1 1 from the minuend and from the subtrahend and using the shortcut method. Though these kind of shortcut methods we are not supposed to practice, okay. In the exercise there are no questions given related to the shortcut method, but I just wanted you to know about this subtraction strategy. Yes, so by this we have come to the end of this module where we are going to talk about the addition strategy. So simply whenever we have to add two addends, okay, we can add them simply and write the sum or total, but there is one more strategy which you can follow, okay. Either you can break up one number and then add, or what else you can do, you can break up both the numbers and then you can add and get the sum or total, right? So you simply have to use the place value to solve these kind of questions. So I have taken the same question, okay, one question is there. I'll be showing you that how you can break up only one number and how you can break up both the numbers and get the answer. So the question is we have to add 38, okay, and 36. So in the very first case I am going to break up 36 into two places, okay, according to its place value. So we have 3 tens, okay, and 6 1, so we can write 36 as 30 plus 6. Now in the next step you will be adding the first number which you have got, okay, after breaking up 36, which is 30, okay, you will be adding this to the first number, which is 38. So 38 will be added to 30 or 30 will be added to 38, both are same. Your now the sum which you will get is 68, and further in this 68 the next number which you have got, okay, after breaking up 36, which is 6, this will be added to 68, okay. So now your answer you have got, which is 74. So the sum of 38 and 36 will be 74. So how we have got this sum? Here we have only broken up one number. Now there will be a question like this also, that you have to break up both the numbers and then do the addition. So this is also very easy, you just have to take care of these steps. So now in this case what I am going to do, I am going to break up 38 and 36 as well according to its place value. So 38 can be written as 30 plus 8, whereas you can simply write 36, okay, as 30 plus 6. And now here the first number which we have, okay, which we have got after breaking up 38 and 36 is 30 in both the cases. So we are going to add 30 with this 30 with this 30, right? So now we have 60. And now the second number which we have got, which are 8, okay, for the first number, and 6 for the second number. So 6 plus 8 or 8 plus 6 is 14. We will add them as well. And now in the very last step, okay, both the sums, right, 60 and 14 will be added all together. So now we have 74. So the sum of 38 and 36 is 74. So can you see that how easy it is to break up either one number or both the numbers and get the sum? And in both the cases your sum will remain the same. So this is all in this module. We will be meeting very soon with some other concepts related with chapter 2. Till then, take very good care of yours, and Jai Hind.